Here we have a truck with a high-drive part canopy with front ledge. Front ledges give you a bit of extra tray space at the front for mounting heavy items such as the compressor and this pressure cleaner at the front for cleaning up after a job. This particular client has specified quite a large, proportionally speaking, quite a large part canopy because they needed a big secure area for what I'm about to show you in a minute, but I'll just walk you around the outside first so you get a sense of the overall build. Around the back here, the client has specified a small tray area, just enough for a spare tyre and a crane. A little bit of extra storage space. They've well utilised here with a fire extinguisher, which is a great thing to have outside of your locked environment, so that's available in an emergency 24/7, even when you've locked your canopy. One important conversation we have with customers is the proportion that's needed of tray space to secure canopy space. So there we have it. This is a part canopy with a front ledge. Super handy for lots of different trades, and this one is a lube build, which I'll show you in more detail in just a second. Now inside the part canopy, the client has specified a couple of drawers, a top pan and some one-click shelving system. They've also specified a lube kit build. You can see the grease kit in the back there as well. Plenty of space inside this part canopy for all their hose reels they can work off, and then close the door at the end of the day and it's all nice and secure and clean. High-Drive also fabricate a bund specifically to your lube build. On the driver's side, additional mechanics drawers. It's a set of 4 mechanics drawers there. A pan on top, which is super handy for extra parts so they won't slide around. Like for example, just keeps them all nice and handy. These are your mounting plates for your crane. There we go, they won't go anywhere. Matting to protect the alloy tray. It's always handy and stops things sliding around as much. And here we are around on the other side of the front ledge. They've specified some additional storage for their dual battery kit, which works with their 2000 watt inverter. Another option which this client has specified for mine site compliance is a rollover protective structure, or ROPS. These are made in Australia, so feel free to book an appointment with a High-Drive mobile workspace specialist. If you've got some needs for a lube kit, we'd be more than happy to understand your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come. Thank you.